August Smart Lock Wi-Fi Bridge Setup. Install the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open and create an account or log in. Follow app instructions to install and configure the smart lock. Ensure it's working and connected to the app. Unbox and plug the Wi-Fi bridge into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the LED light to blink. Open the August Home app and go to Settings. Select Wi-Fi bridge and follow prompts to connect. Enter your network's SSID and password in the app. Confirm the connection to your Wi-Fi network. In the app, select your August Smart Lock to pair it with the Wi-Fi bridge. Follow the pairing instructions. Check the app for confirmation that the Wi-Fi bridge is successfully connected. Ensure both devices are paired. Use the app to lock and unlock your door remotely. Verify that commands are received and executed correctly. Ensure you receive notifications and updates about your lock status. Adjust settings if needed in the app. Restart the app or reboot devices if issues arise. Consult support if problems persist or firmware updates are required.